welcome to the news. My name is Kavan Gill. Our story today is about climate change. Today, we're going to be investigating the threats of anthropogenic climate change, why the average American should care about this issue. We're going to be providing our own solution to this climate change today, and why or how you, the viewer, can help out. Okay, now let's go live over to Ali, who will be talking about the threats of anthropogenic climate change.
Hi, Ollie here. Today we'll be talking about the threats from anthropogenic climate change, which is due to greenhouse gases like methane and carbon dioxide, which increases Earth's overall temperature by trapping heat. This impacts our Earth's glaciers because they are melting, increasing sea level. Carbon dioxide has also been mixing with seawater, which creates carbonic acid, making the water more acidic, thus harming the whole oceanic ecosystem. Also, increase in temperature has created a fluctuation in both rainfall patterns and temperature, overall harming biodiversity since the organisms aren't adapted to this environment. An example of this can be the moose. Moose have lived in cold climates in the northern America. Typically, parasites that can harm moose are usually hibernating during this winter, but due to milder winters, these parasites are harming and potentially killing these moose. These moose then are forced to move north, drastically changing the food chain. Now, why should Americans like us care? Americans should care about climate change because it affects our food sources, such as dragonflies, ladybugs, and beetles are essential for pollinating our crops. This climate change can affect the insects indirectly. The fluctuating rainfall and temperature patterns can also impact us with flooding and other natural disasters, potentially destroying our homes or the complete of a lack rain leading to low crop growth. Now back to you, Kavan.
Thanks for that, Ollie. What our proposed solution is involving cows, actually. Cows account for over 20% of the methane produced from human sources in the US alone. And 80% of agricultural land is due to livestock. So what our proposed solution is give the farmers a tax break if they switch over from livestock over to agricultural plants. The benefits of this, deforestation would severely lower because the main reason for deforestation is for agricultural land. And we also propose that farmers are given tax breaks if they switch from normal cattle to mini cows. And the benefits of mini cows, they produce only 28 liters of methane compared to a normal cow, which is 280 liters. Mini cows also are beneficial because they only take up half an acre of land compared to a normal cow, which takes up over 5 acres. How can you, the viewer, help us spread the word of this solution? Sign our petition and help make Congress aware of this to make it into a law. Kavan Gill, signing off.